Step 1. Having to change a faulty or worn out element is unusual, but don't worry, it's a fairly straightforward task. Unplug your dryer and turn it onto its side with the black plastic cap facing upwards. Step 2. Remove the black plastic cap. Step 3. You now need to disconnect the mains cable from the old element. If you are not comfortable doing this, we strongly recommend asking a qualified electrician to do it on your behalf. To carry this out, you will need a posi drive screwdriver and a small spanner. Undo the live, neutral and earth wires from their terminals, taking careful note of where they are connected before undoing them. Undo the plastic bridge where the mains cable is fed into the element and simply remove the mains cable. There is a close-up photograph of the wiring layout on this page of our website for your reference. Step 4. You now need to remove the old element. A spanner is provided within the replacement kit. Once in place, turn the spanner anti-clockwise to loosen the element. You may need to use a hammer to help start the removal process. Step 5. Clean the end of the element tube with a cloth or a rag in preparation of fitting the new element, and then top the dryer up with water. Step 6. It's now time to prepare the replacement element. Remove it from the box and slide the blue plastic gasket away from the threaded end of the element. You then need to apply a generous coating of pipe jointing compound to the threaded area of the element. This will help provide a good seal and prevent future leaks. Slide the blue gasket back into place and you are ready to fit your new element. Step 7. Lower the new element into the dryer. Do not be alarmed if the water within the dryer spills out or overflows as you lower the element, as this is perfectly normal. Now, using the spanner provided, screw the element in a clockwise direction, taking care not to damage the thread. Once it's wound down, tighten with a tap from a hammer. Step 8. You now need to reconnect the mains cable. Refer to our wiring layout photograph for reference of where the different wires connect. If you are in any doubt whatsoever or unsure about this process, ask a qualified electrician to carry it out for you. Next, replace the black plastic cap, ensuring the small cutout lines up with the mains cable, and replace the securing nut. Finally, step 9. With replacement of the element now complete, you simply need to lift the dryer back up onto its wheels and plug in to start drying wet blankets and rugs again.